So just like we talked about in the incomplete sentence section, here for the passage completion section, time management, being careful of your time, understanding how much time you're using is very, very important. And we only have 12 questions here in this section, so that can help us a little. But one problem is that these passages, these short readings are very, very long. You know, it's a long email or an advertisement or a report. And a lot of people want to read everything and they take a long time. Remember, usually we don't have to read everything. We only have to read the sentence with the blank in it to answer it. So remember, time management is important here just as much as it was important for the incomplete sentence section as well. Now, there are many different ways that we can practice for the passage completion section, but really all of these ways we already talked about in the incomplete sentence section. We talked about reading leveled books. We talked about having a vocabulary journal. We talked about doing TOEIC practice questions. We talked about looking at those questions, and if there are any vocabulary words we don't know or any grammar points that we don't understand, well, we look those up and then we write those in the notebook. We also talked about watching TV. So really, there are a lot of ways that we can study for the passage completion section, and they're all the same or very similar to the incomplete sentence section's ways of practicing. Okay, so really there's no big differences here. So you can use all of what we learned before.